Are you having trouble starting your coaching business? You're definitely not alone. So many coaches have been in that exact same position too, including myself. That's why I'm here today, to help you embrace those gifts and to positively impact the world through your online coaching services. I'm Angel Marie, the creator educator over at ConvertKit. Let's get started. There are different types of online coaching, so make sure that you choose the one that works best for you. There's private coaching, which is a one-on-one experience between you and a client, and therefore is normally sold at a higher price due to that personalized experience. There's group coaching, where you coach more than one client at a time. Life coaching, where you guide your client through specific roadblocks. And business coaching, where you focus on your client's career goals. Once you choose the type of coaching service you want to offer, we recommend following this 7-step process to officially get your coaching business up and running. Number 1, choose a profitable niche. 2, find your unique selling proposition. Number 3, get the training you need. 4, be sure to build your online presence via social media. Number 5, build a website so that you're able to sell your coaching services. And number 6 and 7, where you gather the software you need to sell and start pitching your service to your clients. You can even do both of those things right in ConvertKit for free. In fact, let's go ahead and do a quick walkthrough of how exactly that works. The first step you're going to take to start selling and pitching your coaching service is to head into the product tab right up at the top. Then you'll click on New Product. From there, you'll give your coaching service a name, a pricing method, whether it's a one-time standard fee or a monthly coaching service, and then give it an actual price. Click Next, and then clarify what exactly it is that you're selling. In this example, we'll choose the something else option since we're offering our very own coaching services. From here, click Next and give your product a customized link so you can easily share it with others. Then click Create Product. From here, it will redirect you to where you can edit and customize your product page with a title, additional context, including the ability to add more components to your page, and even customizing the call to action button. You can also further customize the checkout page, confirmation page, and the email receipt that your buyers will receive from you the minute they purchase your coaching services. If you'd like to offer your potential clients a discount for your coaching service, you'll just simply head to Settings, Discounts, and then add a customized discount code. Clarify if you want that discount to be in dollars or percentages, and the limit of discounts you'd like to offer. When you're ready to begin sharing your coaching services with the world, click Save, Publish, and then copy and paste this link to share it with potential clients. You can even easily grab your discount link by turning your code on and copying and pasting the newly generated discounted link. You also have the option to embed a Buy My Product button on your website too. And that's how easy it is to start selling and pitching your coaching services to your audience. Here at ConvertKit, we believe that you deserve to make a living doing what it is that you love most. So get started today. We'll definitely be rooting for you. Until next time, friend.